Hi guys, I'm Riviowie. Thanks for clicking my video. If you like this content, I do the same thing live on Twitch 5 days a week, 2 PM till midnight London time. Enjoy the show. We, quite frankly, have concluded that I should just stick to what I know. Still be playing plenty of poker. It's just going to be playing more of the card games and auto battles and stuff, and that kind of thing that we are a bit better at, quite frankly. Oh, awesome! Yeah, it's all free and stuff. I'll send you a link that'll give you a buttload of codes that'll get you started, and we'll get that dopamine rolling. There's a whole big tutorial that you'll get through that'll give you a bunch of free decks. Those free decks are quite useful, and like one or two of them are like genuinely good. So like if we wanted to play together when you got your starting collection, we could pick one of those free decks each, because I've still got all the starter decks sitting there. So that way they've got reasonably equal power level. Free dopamine the best, yeah, totally. Should we sacrifice one rune? No. It's sacrificing milling 3 to mill 2. Nice to establish that. Not float mana, but Nesquik 22. My chocolatey milky friend. Yeah, that's fine, but no. Nice. So what's it at the moment look like? Shit, what time did we start? Yeah, for sure. That's, yeah, I mean, I think most people want an even match. And a game with lots of starter decks is good for that. Don't you dare counter that, you bastard. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to think most people like a good competitive game. If he has a way to mill me, I'm gonna be pissed. Certainly an interesting decision. Guess I can't do both at the same time now. No, I can still. Is he countering one of these? Still have to draw. Yeah, that's another way to sure it's nice and even is pauper decks. So drawing first. I can check for a lethal, but I don't think there is one. I should just do it. Hey. That's rude as shit. Yeah, I mean, most of my cards came from buying like big bulk lots on eBay, so the vast majority of them are common. So I've probably got a great collection for Pauper. Hell, can I run 12 copies of one common? Nice. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Nice. Got a plat too.